Welcome friends, let's make this flower hanging. For that we are going to make the petal by folding this craft paper. Fold it from its sides, flip it and paste it using glue. Now press it. After that cut a circle and paste all the petals around it. We are cutting 8 petals and paste one after another. Paste a pearl at the center. Make multiple cuts on another paper. We are making frill here, so roll it like we are doing here. Paste all of them together, roll another stick, and look here, flower hanging is ready. We are making 2 frills. Combine all of them and look, it is ready. Look at these cute bunnies. Let's make it. We're going to fold this square paper, fold it and make a triangular shape. Now fold it from its side, pull it downwards and tuck it inside. Do the same from other end as well. Flip it. Now we're going to again fold it similar way. After this press it downwards and make shape like this. We are making the ears and face of the bunny. Blow it and draw the eyes, and look, your origami bunny is ready. You can make more such bunnies, and look how cute these are looking. We're going to make these glittery sparkly birds. We're going to fold this paper, make a square. Again we are going to fold it from its corners. Flip it and again fold it from its corner. Press it like this. Now flip the paper and start folding it. Similar way we are going to pull the paper from both ends and give shape to the wings like this. Roll it and look, here, birds are ready. We are going to make this beautiful flower hanging. So fold a paper like this first into half, and then from its top and bottom make 4 triangles. Flip it and again fold it similar way. Again flip it and fold into half, and we are going to again fold it from top and bottom. Here we are going to make and tuck it inside and make 6 such petals. After this we are going to paste all the petals one after another like this. After this flip it and tuck all the petals like we are doing here. Press it and paste a pearl at the center, and look, it is ready. We're going to make these cute little containers using craft paper. So take this printed paper, fold it and make a mini square. Again press it and fold it from its sides. Now flip it and do the same. Now flip the paper and fold it from its sides. Again flip it and fold it from its bottom. Gently open it, and look, your container is ready. Look at this beautiful butterfly ring. Let's make it. So cut a small strip of paper, fold it into half, open it. Now fold it again into half and tuck it inside from its side. So we are going to make a butterfly at the center. So fold it again and again and tuck the paper inside. We are making the strip here. So fold the paper again into half from its sides. Now open it and look, your butterfly is ready. Now tuck the paper inside and make a ring, and it's done. Let's make these mini school bags. Let's make them using craft paper. So cut a small piece of paper. We are folding this pink paper here. Fold it again from its diagonals. Open it, and then we are going to press it like this. We are making a box here. So press it and look, your bag is ready. Now keep it aside. After this we are going to take another piece of paper and start folding it from its sides. Again fold it like this and press it and tuck it inside like this. Take another piece of paper, make 2 strips and paste them at the back side of the bag. Similar way we are making the handle. Paste it at the top, and look, your bag is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.